Good morning, guys. So last night it got too dark to film, and all I really did was spray some glue and put some foam down. Figured I'd show you that. And there, I kind of laid down a piece of plywood so we got a clean surface to do some upholstery work. And I am not an upholsterer. But this is our cowhide that, once again, is scrap. My wife wanted to throw it in the garbage because it was on my floor as a rug for 6 years in my shop with customers walking on it, and it's pretty haggard. So instead of throwing it away, I tend to keep things. She thinks I'm a hoarder, but we're gonna utilize this piece of scrap material for some seating for the bench, as well as I'm going to do 2 individual backrests. So yeah, well, let's get started. I don't know if you guys can see, but obviously there's a brand already on here. I think I want to try to utilize it. It's in the wrong spot. All right, we're back. And this is going to save my day. I don't have to use a drill. Moment of truth. There's my dog. We'll move this forward again so everybody can watch what I'm going to try and do. If this fails, it's Josh's fault. So, eyeball it. I like that. What do you think? Think it ought to work? All right, so in theory, since I'm so close to this foam's edge and it doesn't want to touch very well, I'll put a nail in it, and the foam, I think, will keep it tight. Let's find out. I got 0 experience with doing this, but principles work, right? I'm gonna nail my board. All right, I'm gonna do something different there. Let's get a board and stick it in. So good milk here. Or here's one new lid shut. That'd be my luck. Come back, change well, not sure what I could have done better. but just doesn't look quite as good as I wished. Matches the rest of it. Kind of rough, disproportionate, bent. So it'll work. I'll back this up and we'll make the back cushions. I'm going to do 2 separate cushions for this. Here, here, here. Kind of let that tack up for a minute. So while that's doing that, I'm going to work up there for a minute, where you can't see my screw up. I think I'm going to burn my white edges. We'll see what happens. So we're going to try it up here. See what happens. I like it. We're just going to continue burn all our white edges. Of course, now I don't have the gluable surface problem that goes here. So I'm going to glue them here. Semi close? Just down there, okay. Where's the other dust? Watch it. Oh, easy to go. It is Mom's birthday, and I wanted to have it done so I could put it in the house when she woke up. It would be there. But guess what? I'm running behind. So, go back to the dog. He's found himself a spot. We're gonna have to move in here. All right, guys, I gotta stop this, and I will finish when we get to do the next one. Okay, I'm back. We are getting ready to brand and do the final touches. So I can't get the heating of the brands and the branding at the same shot, so I'll just let you guys watch the burning part. Let's go. There's one. That'll work just fine for this little guy. Kadoosh! Did I go too much? Oh, no. My head.
I can't see it.
I think I did. I think I went into the foam. Oh, maybe alright. One done. Gotta go find another propane tank real quick. Alright, got a propane tank loaded. We're going again. And I'm gonna back you up this time because I forgot to get it all. Here you go. This one's really hard. It don't fit. Let's see what it looks like on camera. Probably as ugly as it does in...
Wait a second. Is this the cowhide that we got Mom on you?
No.
Was
All right, well, she is done. Now we just got to take it inside and deliver it. All right, so here is the final piece put inside. I did do a little bit extra off the camera. I don't know if my camera will focus, but I went ahead and hung up a couple of our old guns up there. But outside of that, that is where it lives, and it is all finished. I didn't know if I went down here, and guess what? Here's where your shoes go. So, now that I'm finished, appreciate it if you guys would like, subscribe, ring the bell. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, which I'm sure you'll have a jillion questions because this ended up not being a how-to video, which I thought about wanting to do, but I got on a time crunch and my wife's birthday was this morning. And she's already gone for the day to go get her hair done, get food, yada, yada, yada. So I guess I had a chance to get it in, but I really wanted to have it ready and done before she got up. So yeah, please leave some comments if you want me to build another one and do more of a how-to. I know some steps I wouldn't do. I mean, this thing didn't turn out perfect, but it turned out pretty good for the first one. I know a lot of things I'd do differently and easier. So, yeah. Appreciate you guys watching. Let me know. Thank you.